morning, students. I welcome you to the virtual class presented by Jet Kids International School, Pusan. Okay. See, this is the period of class 2, and in this period we are going to discuss about the science subject. And in this science period we are going to discuss the lesson number 6, that is the healthy food. So this is our topic. Okay, children, I made you 2 videos of lesson number 6, that is the healthy food. Okay. So this is the part 1 video, okay, and part 2 you will get after this video or the next day. So we are going to learn about the lesson number 6, that is the healthy food. So what we are going to learn, that are our objectives. So what are today's objective of this lesson? Number 1, food groups. Number 2, meals in a day. Number 3, healthy eating habits. I repeat, healthy eating habits. So the first point, food groups, we are going to discuss in detail in this video, and remaining 2 points, that is the meals in a day and healthy eating habits, that we are going to see in the next part, okay, that is in the part 2. So let us start first part, that is the food groups. So see, one screen is there, okay, one picture is there on your screen. So see, I know you like the animation the most, okay, so for you, see, this is the beautiful picture, okay children. So see, once again I am going to play for you. So see, these are the nice fruits and vegetables, they are dancing, okay. So you have to eat the fruits and vegetables, okay, they are calling you to eat them, okay. So in this way, see again, this is a beautiful picture, okay, containing all the fruits and vegetables, and this is a very beautiful picture, okay children. So you have to eat all the such kinds of fruits and vegetables to become healthy. Again I have something for you, yes, and what is that? Let us see. So see, again there is a beautiful picture, okay. So these are the different kinds of food, okay, which you can see here, okay children. So once again I am going to show you. So these are the different kinds of fruits that you have to eat. I hope you like it very much. Again there is a one see again one video is there, okay, showing the different plants and vegetables, okay, like cauliflower, okay, then tomato, banana, spinach, onion, strawberry, bread. So this is the video, it is showing the healthy fruits and vegetables. So I hope you like these small short videos, okay. Now see, there is a healthy eating plate is there on your screen, okay, in that showing all the important nutrients, the components which is important for your dish, or which is important for your good health. So what should be there in our thali or in our eating plate? So this is the healthy eating plate, okay. Like we should have in our daily plate whole grains, okay, then fruits, some veggies, healthy proteins, okay, and we should use healthy oils, okay, then water and dairy. Dairy means the product like milk, okay, ghee, butter, etc. So curd, such products includes in the dairy, okay. So in this way you have to use all the components, okay, in your dish or in your thali. You have to eat that regularly. Now come to the point, that is food groups, okay. So what is mean by the food groups? So see, food can be divided into 3 groups, okay children. Healthy food, so food basically divided into, food can be divided into many groups, but for your better understanding, basically they are divided into the 3 groups, okay children. So we should eat them from each food group. We should eat from each food group in the right amount to stay healthy. Now what is mean by from each food group means there are there are. Now we should eat from each food group means from each and every group we have to take some vegetables, fruits, or whatever the content, grains are there, okay, whole grains or the dairy products, whatever there. We should select from each group, that is in the right amount means in the perfect amount, okay. It is not like that we are selecting one thing and we are eating it in a large amount, that is not good. So we have to take everything in a right amount, in a perfect amount, okay. So to stay healthy. For what? To stay healthy, fit and fine. Let us study more about these food groups. Okay children, so let us see. So first group is energy giving food. What is the name of the first group? That is energy giving food. So what is given in this group? Okay, so these are the names of the different food groups. Okay, so first is the energy giving food, second one is the body building food. So these are the three food groups, and third one is the protective food. Okay, first is the energy giving food, second one is the body building food, and third is the protective food. So energy giving food means the food from when we are going to eat the food from which we get the energy, that food group is called as energy giving food group. Okay, and what is meant by body building food? Obviously in its name or the names itself suggests that the whatever the food we are going to have or eat that makes our body perfect, like bones and muscles make strong and give proper personality to our body or make us fit and fine. Okay, so for the development of body, whatever the nutrients or the fruits and vegetables, whatever they are there, contents of the food items are important, that comes in the body building food. Protective food means the food group, generally fruits and vegetables come into this group. Protective food means they give us the capacity to fight with the diseases, and illness. Okay, protective food groups means they protect us from the dangers like diseases and all that. So they give us protection from all the kinds of, and so these are the three important food groups, and that we are going to discuss. So first group is the energy giving food. Okay, first group is the energy giving food. So what is there in this food group? So food items like rice, wheat, sugar, honey, butter, oil give us energy to work and play. Okay, the food items like rice, चावल होते हैं ना, wheat means गेहूँ, sugar शक्कर, honey यानी शहद, butter, okay, oil give us energy to work and play, and these food items are called the energy giving food. Now see the picture. There is one picture on your screen. So see, these are the examples and the pictures of the energy giving foods. See the pictures. In the first picture there are the rice, okay, and the cooked rice is also there. Potatoes, boiled potatoes are also there, okay, sweets, okay, and the sugar. Okay, so these are the foods from which we get the energy. So we can call it as the energy giving food. Second group is the body building food groups. So food items like milk, fish, meat, eggs, pulses, green peas, chicken help us to grow. They make our bones and muscles strong. Means the food group which makes our bones and muscles strong. Okay, so that food comes in the body building food, and these food items are called the body building food. Okay children, so see, there is a one picture in front of you on your screen. The body building pyramid is here. Okay, so see, all the food items are shown in a pyramid. Okay, so added sugar is there, fat group is there, veggie and fruits group is there, carbohydrate group is there, and protein group is there, and lift, rest, water is there. So this is the bodybuilding pyramid. So all this comes in the bodybuilding. Okay, so now the third group is the protective food group. Food items like the fruits and vegetables. Food items like the fruits and vegetables protect us from falling sick. Okay, and they are called the protective food. They are called the protective food. Okay, my dear children. So I already explained you the protective food groups, the food which protect us from the falling sick or sickness or illness or all the diseases are called as protective food group. Besides food, our body also needs water. This is also important things. We saw the different three groups. Okay, and beside these food groups, our body also needs water. We should drink plenty of water to stay healthy. And in the previous video I told you that we should eat at least 7 to 8 glasses of water daily to keep us fit and fine or healthy. because water plays an important role in keeping us healthy. Okay, so see, again one picture is there, that is the picture of protective food group. Okay, so see, fruits are there, yes, spinach is here. Okay, these are the protective food, cabbage and beans. Okay, so beans, cabbage, spinach and all the fruits in that, apple, grapes, banana, all the fruits and vegetable, they act as the protective food. That's why your teachers and your parents and your elders, whatever grandma, grandpa is there, they are suggesting you that you should eat daily some type of fruits and vegetables to make yourself fit and fine. Okay, so again see, here is the one worksheet for you. Okay, what is given in this worksheet? So see, this is the worksheet of healthy food. Now you have to put a circle around each healthy food. See, the sentence is not visible properly, but you can make a printout. Okay, that's why I am reading this sentence once again. What you have to do in this worksheet? Put a circle. You have to put a circle around each healthy food. Whatever the healthy foods are there, you have to put the circle. Like see what is given here. Apple is there. I think pizza, broccoli, chocolate, burger. Yes. Again banana and lots of things are there. Carrots, milk, etc. So whatever the healthy things are there, you have to put a circle around it. Okay, and you have to solve the worksheet properly. I hope you understood all the three groups properly. So my dear students, you have to solve the worksheet properly. You have to learn the three food groups, and whatever the food items comes into that, you have to learn all the examples. Till then, take care of you. Stay at home. Keep hard working. Bye. Have a nice day.